Welcome back everyone, week 2 of our Highlands to Hammocks weekly roundup. This week has been a pretty eventful one. It's seen us go from Pula in Croatia all the way up to Munich and then all the way back down onto the beautiful Italian east coast. We're sitting here in the morning, the sun's just risen and it is a beautiful place to do this video.
Last Wednesday we left Pula and we're expecting a bit of a hellish overnight train journey with about 4 stops through the night. We were going to be arriving in Bled at 4:30 in the morning. So thankfully we decided to have a little look into it again and decided to stop off at Ljubljana in Slovenia's capital city, which we were going to be arriving at 11:30 at night, so we treated ourselves to our first hostel bed, which was delightful.
Yeah, it was like an old crappy student dorms bed, but it was an absolute king size bed compared to what we're used to. It was absolutely delicious.
And we had some free Wi-Fi, which topped it all off, because we've not really had any of that. But yeah, so we spent 2 nights in Ljubljana, which was a bit of a happy accident to be honest, because we absolutely fell in love with that city.
Yeah, one of those beautiful cities I've ever been to. So clean, people are also friendly, and then the architecture is just stunning. So I really recommend heading to Ljubljana. Yeah. And from there Slovenia just ended up getting better, didn't it?
Yeah, so then we moved on to Lake Bled. We stayed in a campsite pretty much right on the lake, and it was just stunning.
The next day we signed up for some whitewater rafting, which is the first time either of us has done that. It's down a beautiful river just beside Lake Bled, and here are highlights clip right here, watch this. So thoughts on Ljubljana so far. We're just heading up to Bled now, but what a city, we absolutely loved it. Our short 2-day stopover, we're recharged, all our batteries are recharged. We stayed in a bed for the first time in 3 weeks, absolutely loved it. But the city itself, probably the cleanest city we've been to so far. Friendly people, beautiful buildings, it's got a river through the centre, everything you can need. But best of all for us, it's small enough that you can walk all around it, you don't even need to get a bus. And yeah, we love cities like that. It's like everything's very central, so love Ljubljana. So we've finally arrived in Bled. What are your first impressions?
Love it.
Absolutely stunning. Look at this. So yeah, after our eventful morning doing our whitewater rafting, we decided to top it all off by doing some awesome paddle boarding on top of Lake Bled. Beautiful paddling out round the island, the views are stunning and it was just an incredible thing. Both of us actually managed to stand up. It's not as hard as it looks, it is actually, it's so difficult. But, so props to everyone, it makes it look easy. One time we were surfing in Guernsey and there was a guy standing up paddle boarding into a wave and then catching the wave and it made it look so easy. Can't believe it.
decided then to swim from the furthest away point to the island.
Yeah.
Lovely place.
After paddling out to it, like, we could swim to that, no bother. It was about an hour, it took us to swim out to it. But
in the open water. But we did it, and we managed to swim back.
How far was it? It was about a kilometre.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've got this, triathlons, here we come, no bother at all. And then after that we decided to head back up to Munich. We're meeting two of our good friends up in Munich for the exciting news that we were talking about last week. We ended up buying bikes off of them, and we're fully kitted out now. And yeah, we're bike road trippers as of last Monday. As of Monday, we're bike road trippers from Munich. Chilled out for a bit, hit some beer halls, but mostly spent our time stressing out trying to buy all the cycling equipment around Munich. The first city we've been to, the Decathlon is tiny. There's no Decathlons. I don't know what's going on in Munich. You need to sort yourself out. Get a bigger Decathlon, come on, seriously.
The amount of bikers there, and it's just not a lot of bike shops, cheap bike shops.
But yeah, beautiful city, Munich. It was so good to be back again, spending time in the beer halls. And then yeah, after that we just ended up getting a train down. We'd planned on getting a train to Pescara, which is about halfway down the Italian coast, and then cycling from Pescara to Bari, which is about 400 kilometres in total. Turns out when we tried to book the trains that we can't get a train from Bologna to Pescara. So you know what, we're not going to pay an extra 80 euros or whatever to reserve the train. We're just going to cycle it instead, so it's now 720 kilometres we're going to be cycling from Bologna to Pescara.
Yeah.
As of when we're speaking, we've done 120, 130, 150 of it, 150, it was 70 the first day and 80 the next, so 150 down, what's that quick maths, 570 to go.
Yeah.
So wish us luck, folks. So for the past 2 days we've been recording ourselves as we film along. Here are some of the best clips of what we've seen so far. Yeah, so we've got plenty more of that lined up. The past couple of days have seen us wading through rivers, pushing our bikes up huge muddy hills, burst tyres. First day, about 40 kilometres in, I got a pop tyre going through said river, so I had to repair that.
And that was all fun and games at Decathlon as well, because we have spare inner tubes, but decided to buy another spare inner tube, which was the wrong size. Blew up the new spare, which was too small, so deflated that one, then put in what we thought was the new inner tube, which happened to be the old inner tube.
First inner tube, I put it back in the bloody bike.
So we were all ready to go and put in another.
Hands were manky because our friend Mel had just greased the chains, so thank you, Mel.
But yeah, we eventually got sorted after a few little mishaps and got on the road, but yeah,
all sorted.
It was a bit of a long day yesterday. I think we were both really feeling it in our legs, and it was hot. It reached 36 degrees at one point as well. 36 degrees,
so pedalling along. It was a funny thing is, it was only actually warm when you stopped pedalling.
Yeah.
You know, that's when the sun hits you, and I'm dripping with sweat. But it's all fun and games. So from here we're heading further south down. Can't remember exactly the name of it, but we're just gonna keep pedaling south. The road straight all the way to Bari. So it's all up. It's all downhill from here. Beautiful seaside views, and it's going to be awesome. In order to help motivate us on our trip, we've set up a Just Giving page, and we're going to be trying to raise money for the mental health charity Mind. All important, we're really supportive of mental health. We believe that it affects everyone in their walks of life, and it's something that needs to be more talked about these days. As budget backpackers ourselves, we know that it's quite difficult to get by on a budget, but any size of donations would be completely welcome. You see 20 pence lying on the street, you've got some spare change from your coffee, you know, we'd be welcoming anything under £1 is completely welcome. We'll be eternally grateful to every single one of you. I'll drop a link down below, go and click on that, and then you can donate as much as you want. And yeah, just keep wishing us luck, folks. Check us out on our social medias, see what we're up to each day. We're trying to post on it regularly. All the links are down below, and we'll see you next week. Yeah, we'll let you know how we got up to. Fingers crossed we're still going, no more burst tyres. Make sure you like and subscribe down below, and tell all your friends about what we're doing, because we're absolutely mental. Can't believe what we're doing. First time ever we've been on bikes, and we're cycling 700 kilometres down Italy. Can't make this
Seemed a good idea at the time.
Anyway, see you next week folks, bye.